Let us now consider normal loss. What is normal loss? Normal loss is something which will happen, which is unavoidable, which is a part of maybe the part of the handling of the product, part of the process of handling of the product. It is natural. Some things may lose over a period of time, may just lose weight. Some things, when they are moved, there will be some loss due to all the handling which takes place. If that is the case, it is considered a normal loss, and the treatment is slightly different from that we consider for abnormal loss. We do not in fact pass any entry in case of a normal loss. What do? We take the total cost and spread it over the good units. That means if we send 100 units and each of them cost each and the total cost of the 100 units is 1000, but it is expected that there would be a 10% loss, then we say that the total cost of rupees 1000 should be spread over not 100 units but over 90 units. So every unit becomes a little more expensive due to the normal loss. Every unit becomes more expensive, more costly, because the number of units reduce. The cost is therefore, the total cost is just spread over the number of good units. So what would be the value of unsold stock? The total cost of the goods sent divided by total quantity less normal loss. So what happens as a result of this? Every unit becomes a little more expensive. Total cost in our example was 1000. What was the quantity sent? It was 100, but we have only 90. Therefore, 1000 rupees would be spread over 90 units into whatever is the unsold stock. We can take an example to understand this still better. If 10,000 kg of a product cost 1,20,000 is consigned and the freight charges are 30,000, what is the cost per kg? So what is the cost? It is 1,20,000 plus 30,000 freight charges incurred divided by this, the total cost. 10,000 is the total kg. Therefore, this is 1,50,000 divided by 10,000, arriving at rupees 15 per kg. But if we take the same example, 10,000 kg costing 1,20,000 are consigned and the freight charges are 30,000. However, there is a normal loss of 20% in handling and forwarding. Then what is the cost per kg? So then what happens? Then we take the total cost 1,20,000 plus 30,000 and we divide it by 10,000 minus 20% of 10,000 being normal loss. Quantity minus normal loss. So what is this? We get 1,50,000 is now spread over the good units, the normal good units, which is 10,000 minus 2,000 or 8,000. So cost of 1,50,000 is spread over 8,000 units. How much do we get? One lakh 50,000 divided by 8,000. 8 8